What is going on, guys? I am Desiree Lee, best-selling author of INMATE 1142980, The Desiree Lee Story. I am a public speaker, a public figure, and a philanthropist. Yes, I am. It's so good to see my Perry friends here in the building. I do not call you my followers. I call you my friends. So if you're new to my scope and you want to be my friend, click on that Perry buddy and turn that plus sign into a check. Hello. I love the hearts. I see them coming in, guys. I love the hearts. Yes, coming through. You are on the beat. Oh, yes. What's going on, King Gray? It's good to see you here in the scope. I scope all things inspiration, all things impactful, all things. Yes, and if you're a beginner or a pro in authorship and you want to write a book, make sure you connect with me. Yes. No, they're not drawn. How about that? So good to see you. It may look like it, but it's not. But thank you for the compliment. I really appreciate that. Hello, Coco Cambo. Hello from Sweden. It's good to see you guys here in the scope today. Yes. So I share all things author hacks, all things inspiration, all things good tips, and everything else. Also, I give away free gifts, free Amazon gift cards. It's good to see you from Brazil. Yes. Hey, what's going on? We don't have that. If I see any more of that, we are going to have a block party. How about that? This is a safe place, a loving place where I have friends who give out love and inspiration. No trolls in the house. Hello. Yes, so I'm on my way to my book signing. Yes. Up. The trolls always come in. How about that? I'm Junior. Nice to meet you, Junior. Yes. No, those are called trolls, honey. I don't know who made up trolls, Mama Louise, but they are trolls up in the Periscope. But that's okay. That's okay. It's nothing but love here. I see it all. I see it coming in. I see all the love coming in. Hello, Ellen. Okay. Hey, my name is Desiree Lee. Is your name Ellen? Oh, thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you. I'm so excited, guys, because I'm on my way to a book signing. I love you too. I really do. Kisses. As you can see, purple is my favorite color. Yes. I'll say, you know what? I'm feeling purple today. Oh, you guys want to see the book? It's inside the trunk. You know what? And I tell other authors that they need to have the book in the front seat. Oh gosh, I hate that I did that because I do want to show you guys the book. You guys will see it at the book signing, so make sure you follow me and click that Perry buddy and turn that plus sign into a check, and you guys will see the notifications. You guys get to come to work with me today, so you'll get to see the book, the workbook, the banner, the DVD. You guys get to see everything today. You get to see me in action. Hey, that's me, your favorite color too. Yes, I know. She said that on her scope yesterday, and I was like, that is all day my cover. Yes, my color. Yes, Mama Gold. Yes, I love you. So you guys get to come to work with me today and see me in action. So if you want to invite me to your school or to speak to your youth, to your kids, or even parents as well, or even just women or adults alike, you know, you don't have to be in prison. You don't have to be a young person to really grasp the inspiration and the motivation from my story. Someone asked, hey, what is the title of your book? The title is INMATE 1142980. You guys can scroll up and screenshot that title and you can see it right there. Or you can go to Amazon.com and type in Desiree Lee. Crystal stretching. Bopo Tribe Ambassador. It's good to see you, sister girl. I love you. Yes, I do. One of my contributing authors of my second book, Pastor Mustard Seed, she is here in the building. Put up some emojis, Crystal. Yes. Robin, you know, I'm already pumped up, so you already know I'm going to have a great time. Yes, that's Crystal right there. She put some emojis up real quick. Put some more emojis up, Crystal. I don't think they caught that. And follow my friend Crystal. She's one of the contributing authors of my second book, and she is one of the ambassadors of the Bopo Tribe. Hello. It's good to connect with people in different tribes here on Periscope because it kind of gets you out of your comfort zone, and they kind of, the connection and the sisterhood and the love, and everything else. So that's really good. So there she goes again. So follow Crystal and the Bopo tribe. They said, how do we get to book you if we want you to come out? Simple. Just email me at dleeinspires, the letter D, L-E-E, inspires @gmail.com. And if you scroll up, you will see my email address inside this title of this Periscope that we are doing right now. So make sure you email me, and my assistant and my agent will get everything together and check my calendar for availability, and I will be there. How about that? It's good to see you. So I am just basically just chilling out. I'm really excited. I already prayed. I already meditated. Spent time with my daughter. And got my thoughts together so that I can be at my best, in tune, as one, as I go speak today and minister today to during my book signing event. Yes, James Edwards, the most valuable motivator, is in the house. It's good to see you, James. It's good to see you in the scope today. Yes, so my message today is simple, which was my message all this week, which is stop letting the distractions distract you. Yes. Stop allowing the distractions to distract you. Thank you so much, James. I woke up in a really good mood this morning. A really good feeling. Nakia! Danielle! It's so good to see you again, sister girl. I woke up this morning re-energized and revived, with my heart and my mind set on God, with my focus ahead of what I had to do today as the messenger. I'm not sure what somebody might be going through today, but I want you to know, on this weekend, stop allowing the distractions to distract you. Do you talk to people with PTSD a lot? Yes, I do. Especially, yes, especially with depression itself. Always. Because I think it's what we see that dictates or makes us look at things as depressing. I was really depressed at one point in time. So depressed that I wanted to take my life. So depressed that I didn't see no more options until a lady believed in me when I couldn't believe in myself. And because of that, she changed my perception. The truth is, you can't change people. I don't care how much you try, your loved ones, the people you're speaking to, if you're a speaker, public speaker, if you're a teacher, if you're a parent, you're a mother, you're a father, you can't change people. But I found out how you can change that. By changing the perception. And if you change the perception, then eventually the person will change. Did you guys get that? If you change the perception, then eventually the person will change. Because we ourselves, ask ourselves, not that person we're trying to change, but ourselves, that we are trying to change ourselves. And we ask ourselves, how do we change? We do. Yes, I'm serious, James. We ask ourselves, how do I change? You know, they say if we keep doing the same thing over and over again, then we are crazy. But it's not that we keep doing it over and over again because we want to. This is the only way we know how to do it. And then at the same time, we want our situations to change. They say if you want to change your situation, then you need to do something different. But oftentimes we don't know what to do differently. And it wasn't like she taught me something different to do. It was more so that she changed my perception of what I saw. And when I saw something different, I began to act and treat it differently. So when I saw my circumstances, my depression, my doubt, my self-defeating doubts, my fears, my flaws, the things that I didn't like about myself, the things that I didn't like about me, my struggles, my obstacles, the no's, and all this other kind of stuff, when I saw that differently, then I changed the way I looked at it, and then what I looked like eventually changed. Because I'm a convicted felon. I'm still a convicted felon when I was depressed. And I'm still a convicted felon happy as ever. You see what I'm saying? The convicted felon part did not change. But my perception on how I looked at myself as a convicted felon changed. And when I looked at the convicted felon differently, then everything else changed. But the truth is, I'm still a convicted felon. I still have 11 counts of armed robbery on my record. And 5 counts of aggravated assault. I still went to prison. I still spent 4 years in prison. If I went to go try to find a job now, they would still say no. If I went to try to go to school, they would still say no. But how I look at that, because my perception changed of that, I took that and now everything else changed. So you can't change people, but the way you can change yourself or change others is by changing their perception. And that's what my story does. My story changes the way you look at that obstacle, the way you look at that daunting thing. Options that you still have left, and you'll be able to see the light, the brightest light in the darkest place. And that's what my story does. That's why I'm on the scopes, because I don't know who might be feeling like they want to give up right now. I don't know who might be feeling like, enough is enough. I'm tired of being tired, Desiree. I don't know how you even found this scope. I don't even know how you came across this name at this time. You could have been doing anything. You could have been driving and saw the notification and popped in. You could have been sitting there looking at your situation and said, man, this was a tough week. I don't even have enough money to enjoy the weekend. I don't even have enough money to take my son to football practice or the football game today. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't even know how we're going to eat this week.